Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the print screen button on your keyboard. So the print screen button that is used to take a screenshot or a snapshot of your current screen. Now let me show you what is a print screen. So I'm just going to show it to you by using the on-screen keyboard. Now let me quickly so you will find the print screen. It's in the initials PRTSC. Now in the on-screen keyboard, it's PRTSCN, but on your keyboard, that is just PRTSC, and you can find that at the top. So the use of print screen again is to take a snapshot of your current screen. So whatever your current screen, you just need to simply press the print screen in order to take a screenshot of that. Now in some cases, clicking the print screen alone, in most of the users, like for their laptops or computers, clicking the print screen alone will not work. So if clicking the print screen alone doesn't work for you, then you just need to simply press the Windows key and print screen together to take a snapshot of your current screen. Okay, so let's try to use the print screen. So let's take a snapshot of this current screen in my Windows and then press the print screen on your keyboard. And if the print screen on your keyboard doesn't work to take a snapshot, then you have to press Windows key and print screen together. Now let's open File Explorer to confirm if we have just took a screenshot of this current screen. Now let's go to Pictures, Screenshots, and here it is. We have just took a screenshot of the current screen that we had earlier. So I'm just pressing the print screen on my keyboard. But again, if pressing the print screen alone on your keyboard doesn't work, you can do it by pressing the Windows key and the print screen together to take a snapshot of your current screen. So that's it. So that's the use of print screen on your keyboard. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.